phone. Hopefully it works. I don't know.
Your mustache is very prominent.
It is? Good.
This
I'm growing a mustache. You guys can't tell. Trying something new. I'm not sure if this video will go up, but we'll see. We're just trying something new, recording on the phone, editing on the phone, and posting on the phone. Because usually I use my camera, and I need a new camera because it's really bad. But yeah, we're gonna go run some errands today, and we're just gonna vlog it. So, yeah. Stop to get a little fun drink. Yeah. We don't really know what we're doing today.
The only thing on the list is I want to get some fresh flowers.
Fresh flowers for the
my
counter.
Vase that I bought yesterday.
Yep, so that's the only goal today. We're just kind of really out having fun. I would be doing POV right now, but my metas are charging.
Probably
So I'm gonna let them charge for a little bit, and then I'll switch to POV.
Hi, welcome to H2O. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I just do a... Thank you. Why do our cars have to be so different?
I can drive if you really want
No,
to.
her car, the window's right here. On my car, it's right here. So every time I drive one after another. When I'm in her car, I reach down here, and when I'm in my car, I reach over here. It's really annoying. All right, so we switched to the metas. Hopefully there's not too much noise going on. I know this car is bad with road noise. Not really sure what to do in the POV drives. This is my first kind of one. So, we'll see how it goes. Maybe we'll talk about some of the plans with this car. If you guys don't know, this is her car. I just milk it for content because it's fun. But yeah, we'll talk about some of the plans on this car, like mods and stuff, and the journey with it. Because right now it's stock. It's super stock. There's not much going on. I mean, we got
just the intake.
Yeah, we got the intake and these paddle shifters, and that's it. I could insert a picture, and it's just, yeah. I think for mods, obviously we want to go downpipe tune just for some more power, because it's fast, but it's not like holy shit fast.
Downpipe tunes and valves.
Downpipe tune, and we have Valvetronic valves. We just need to install them, but that costs money, and I don't have a welder, so I can't do it myself. So
and I'm an unemployed.
she needs a job before we do any of this stuff. I have a lot of mods for my car. I mean, I don't have them, but I have a lot of plans for my car. So I kind of need to do those before I do this.
To buy my own car parts.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, downpipe tune would go crazy. It'd be pushing probably 500-600 horsepower. For looks, this car needs a front lip, bigger wheels, or either lowering springs. Then it would look pretty good.
Bigger bronze wheels.
Bigger bronze wheels, bronze or full black, to keep the sleek blacked out look. Yeah. But either or is cool. Damn. And then probably rear diffuser, because it changes the whole rear end of this car. It always looks so good. Yeah, and a little bigger wing, probably the duck build type. This car has a lot of potential. It's gonna be really cool once we get there. And then after that, she's gonna buy a Supra. And then make that thing cool.
Supras are just so sick.
The Supras are sick. Everyone, you either love them or hate them, I feel. But me personally, I love the B58. I love the sleek look of the Supra. I love how wide its little hips are in the rear. Oh, they look good. And then my car, obviously it's a shit box now. We're gonna make it cool, and then we're gonna get a Corvette. It's gonna be dope. So what's the goal today? We're kind of just doing nothing, huh?
Literally, my only goal is to get flowers for my vase.
Okay, so we're going to Trader Joe's to look for some flowers. I don't know if I ever remember even seeing flowers at Trader Joe's. I know they have them. And then I think we're gonna walk around the little shopping center right there. See if we'll buy anything. Maybe, maybe not. Not sure.
If I find good shorts and some good shirts, that's the only thing I've been looking for lately.
I just want a Corvette, and I can't really find that at like a mall, so we're Gonna put that one on the back burner, I guess. I think I'm gonna try to use my weekends, because I finally got a job, use my weekends to record YouTube videos. So like Saturday and Sunday, go out, do something, record something, and post it. So I can post consistently, because that's on my vision board. And it's a third of the way through the year, and I haven't done shit. So we're gonna start posting consistently, hopefully. And maybe I'll email some people about a sponsor, but we'll see.
It's like, I know there are some companies that sponsor like smaller creators.
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
I just don't know who they are.
Right. I wanted to get a sponsor from... Whoa! I want to get a sponsor from ECS Tuning to do some stuff for your car.
That'd be sick.
Just like a front lip at least or something. And then I'll, you know, show it off for them. I always get crazy views on Instagram, so someone would see it, which is really their only goal as a sponsor. I just need to make some extra dough so I don't have to wait till frickin' September to get a car.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
We're in the Trader Joe's parking lot, and we have some stuff to review. Because content. Chocolate covered gummy bears. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall. It's sitting in a really bad spot. But
I told you I need to get one of the phone mounts right there.
yeah,
The suction cup ones.
I need some content stuff. Hit me up, people.
Okay.
Hit me up.
Here's a chocolate covered gummy bear.
Okay. Do
You like the peach lady?
the peach lady. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
Those are f***ing good.
They're interesting. I don't know if I like those.
Rate it.
Probably like a 6.
I'll go 8.5 out of 10.
Okay. Let's do the milk chocolate peanut butter cups.
Reese's dupe.
They're supposedly better than Reese's, though.
We'll see about that.
Is what all the cool cats are saying. These are cute. They're so tiny. How do you feel about Reese's?
Exactly the same.
10 out of 10.
9.2 out of 10.
I need a palate cleanser. There's a lot of chocolate in my mouth.
I'm lowering it to an 8.5. I can't swallow it.
There's a lot of chocolate in those. Okay. What I'm most excited for, strictly because of the texture, that I know these are gonna be fruit jellies. I want
Look at that.
this dark red one.
Whoa, it's glowing. Whoa.
All right, cheers.
10 out of 10.
Oh yeah.
I know.
You're not done?
I know, I want one more.
Okay, last item.
Those are good.
Chips in a pickle.
Pickle chips.
Pickle chips. Can't really do a dill pickle chip wrong.
No. Dang. Okay.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Dang.
Yep. These are my favorite things of the day.
These and these are pretty much tied. The only thing about them is if you eat too many, they start tasting weird.
That's with any pickle chip, though.
Yeah. And we'll show the flowers. The main thing we freaking came here for.
We got some baby's breath as filler.
For the flowers.
And then we got some orange tulips. Orange
tulips.
pink. I don't really... I don't
Colors.
know what they'll be.
Yeah, that's our Trader Joe's haul.
And then we got some organic toasted pastries.
Oh yeah, I got some Pop-Tart dupes.
And some more of the garlic naan chips cracker things, because those are
Those are phenomenal.
so yummy just to snack on.
I'm weird and I like the organic Pop-Tarts more than the normal ones.
So weird.
Don't know why. It's always since I was a kid. But yeah, that's our Trader Joe's haul. But yeah, we're gonna somehow manage to get out of this parking lot because it's a nightmare.
It's Trader Joe's, baby.
If anyone knows the Grapevine Trader Joe's, this parking lot is shit.
It's just Trader Joe's in general. Always have a tiny
mostly their
lot.
tiny parking lots are so buns. Now we're gonna go walk around the little shopping center right behind us, and we're gonna go car spotting because there's always cool cars. Like last time, maybe I don't know if the M5 and them will be there because that was like an event.
Yeah.
We'll see. Deuces. See you in a second. Car spotting, first car. Little M4 comp. It looks like. Heck yeah. Last time we were here, there was a Revuelto driving down this road. So hopefully we can see something like that again.
Was it just a Huracan?
Yeah.
I saw a Huracan too.
M3 comp?
Nice.
Oh, it's an M8 comp. Porsche. This is where they're at. This is where they're at. Add to the M2. Just a regular one. Still cool. X6M. That's nice. I know all the Beamers. We haven't seen anything else. Dang. Another car. C7. I think it's a Z06. Looks like it. It's gorgeous. I need me one of these. Yeah, Z06. Oh, I love the paint, the chrome. God, it looks nice. Sheesh. I'm in love. Little S3 too. That's nice. Is that XM or an X7? That's nice. I love those. Underrated. Hella nice. Nice, clean C5. So we're on our way back home from our little adventure today. Not sure really what to talk about now. We're going home, we're gonna make some dinner, and then I'm gonna edit this video and post it because I've been slacking on the YouTube, and we're gonna get back onto it. Whoa! Eventful, holy. We could talk about next week's vlog ideas and if it should be like this POV kind of style, which is cool. This is my first kind of one, so I guess comment to see if it's cool or not. If you like it, if you want to see more, because it's fun. But yeah, I think next week maybe we'll go to the Corvette warehouse here in Dallas, and maybe we'll go, I guess, bike shopping. Not buy anything, but bike browsing and researching, because we both want motorcycles, and we'll go bike researching because we both want motorcycles, sort of, kind of.
At some point in my life.
Yeah, and just see which ones feel comfortable, which ones fit nice, which ones are...
My tiny legs work.
Yeah, prices and, you know, whatever. But I'm pretty set on a bike, but I've never actually sat on one nor ridden one. But I really want a CBR 600.
I'm pretty set on my bike too.
Yeah, she wants like a little Kawasaki.
I want a Kawasaki.
She'll probably only get like a 250 or something, just because you don't need nothing crazy.
No, I'm not trying to pull wheelies on the freeway or whatever.
No.
The odds of me ever taking it out on the freeway are very slim to none.
Yeah.
I will find every other available route.
And I know if I get like a 350 or something, I'll want something faster.
Yeah.
So I'll get the 600 because I know I don't want the 1000. If I get 1000, I'll die. So I'll just meet in the middle. And it should be perfect. But
I mean, worst comes to worst, you get a 350.
I mean, if I have to,
like,
yeah,
but learn on it and then sell that and get a 6.
Yeah, I mean, either way. But yeah, that's I think the plan for next weekend. Maybe we'll do something else. But
Maybe to the zoo on Sunday.
Yeah, we can try to vlog the zoo. That sounds fun.
The zoo is fun. We were supposed to go today, but
we didn't.
I wanted to sleep in.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Yeah, I guess let us know what you would like to see. What's going on in the DF dub.
DF dub.
But yeah.
And if you're around here,
yeah,
let us know.
We need
what
some car
there is
friends.
to do.
Car friends, car meets. Maybe a car meet will open up next week. They've been dog recently because of that one car event that's been going on, which is weird because you would think that they'd be better, but I don't know. They were sick when 2K was happening. I want to do a POV drive in my car because it's manual, so that'd be fun. I gotta use my Metas more because I've literally never used them, and we bought them like
6 months.
8 months ago
almost, because we bought them in September.
Yeah, so I gotta use them more. So the POV is fun. I like it. It makes me better at talking to nothing because I kind of suck at that sometimes, just like talking to myself. I'll finish this video off when we get home while we're making dinner. But yeah.
I'm so excited for dinner.
Okay. Deuces. Just finished editing the video and making dinner and eating dinner. But appreciate you guys for watching all the way through if you did. Appreciate you guys for watching all the way through the video if you did. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next week for next week's video. Yeah. See you guys.